What'd you do this Saturday? You know what I did? Freedom, baby. That's how we do it. Yep. Freedom coming right out the barrel. Oh. My God.
About to shoot a gun with the silencer.
Time to shoot like an idiot. Wow, look at that. I hit him. Killed it! Have you ever wanted to know what a silencer is like? Well, we can have them here in America. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. That is amazing. First time ever seeing a silencer shot in real life. That is amazing. Oh my God. So have you ever wondered what a .40 caliber would do to one of these nasty ass beers? Let's find out.
Not moving.
I got it recording. Woo! Fucking shit. Let's go look at the carnage. This is a super fun day today. The best way to spend your Saturday: buy some ammo and a bunch of expired beer on a pair of sawhorses. This is what you get. What do you think, kid?
That's awesome.
Yeah? Are you in love?
Yeah.
Yeah. Silenced pistols?
Yep.
What
That's my
else?
new dream gun.
And you little Uzi Vert?
Yeah, Lil Uzi Vert's my favorite.
Yeah. Right on. So that was our day. Big thanks to Scott Smith. That's my homeboy right there, for letting us shoot the Silence 22, the Uzi, aka Lil Uzi Vert. That's what Stefan called it. Then we shot the 40. The 40 is just a monster. It's nasty. And then he got the cannon out. 12 gauge AK. Holy crap, amazing. Awesome day. Alright, like, share, subscribe, comment. You know.